you like to tell us something about it?
The Trev. It's official. So sorry, I have to apologise folks, I didn't get a chance to record his takeoff because he literally didn't take, he just went.
Okay, how much would it cost to put one of those in the air? I'm probably guesstimate in the region of 4K. Give or take 4K, I think most of that is £800, give or take. The airframe is £1,300, and then of course
Are you happy to talk while you're flying, Trev? So you're flying an OMP Hobby Edge 540, yeah?
Yeah, 106 wingspan. It's got a GP 123 engine with MTW RE2 tune pipes, sub-up servos, and flight on Spectrum.
Nice. Show us how it's done, Trev.
Which you'll see a number of the smaller planes go up in a few minutes.
So this slot, sponsored by iActiveRC, who supply OMP Hobby models in the UK. And as Trev said, we're at the Popham Model Show 2022. And he's the opening slot. Knife edge figure eight, not easy. With a snap. You're going to show us one of those pop-top things.
Part of the equation is
he will do.
And that's where the tips of the propeller go supersonic. The sound of the engine is controlled by something that is going to be turned on. Yeah, so the sound of the engine actually. That allows the right amount of back pressure to stroke, and with that, really doesn't harness most we get that with full-size aircraft as well. Passing the massive microphone over. Once the smaller aircraft take to the sky, we have a whole range of smaller, more like club aircraft, I would say, and they will be taken to the skies anytime now.
Nice flying, Trev. OMP Hobby Decathlon going up.
Going up now, we have the OMP Hobby Super Decathlon. That is a 55 inch
taken off.
We're all clear.
That comes in a EMP, which is a plug-in.
You landed, Fred?
All you need to do with that machine is slot in the fin, slot in the tail, bolt in your receiver, and so quite beautiful. Flies absolutely.
As you can then, James.
Yeah, I'm just trimming it.
Egg be on last
Trimming
night.
it.
The second machine that went up there, the red Holly, is an H540 60-inch.
Oh yeah.
That machine comes as a combo and as an ARF. The combo would include a motor, so some
This bucket you can see, I'm getting on it. Oh, this is nuts. So I'm saying this is
that big horn comes with the flaps.
You're enjoying it?
so good.
Also runs the Sunny Sky motor power pack, 40 amperes.
So
And as you can see, it's quite maneuverable for a high wing.
It's a OMP Hobby Challenger. That's what you're flying.
Doing a little knife edge around there.
like this is sick.
Is our trainer
He said it's sick. I think that means it's rather good.
the Challenger from OMP Hobby. That is a 49-inch.
I'm just picking up the lingo as I go along.
Once again, comes as a PNP with the Sunny Sky power pack and the servos.
And that's the OMP Hobby Bighorn. That's the high wing trainer that he's not flying like a trainer.
Close up at our store, further up the flight line today. The iActiveRC store. And we can tell you all about it. Cheers. That's great. Just one further thing worth mentioning. Some of these aircraft are doing limited you don't have to fly them like you stop. Sometimes it's good to fly them
Whoa!
steadily and very carefully.
Who's flying the Bighorn?
And trainers,
Outrageous.
that's what they're
It's
for.
a high wing trainer. You're not supposed to fly it like that.
To give you a high wing trainer.
These guys are a bit special.
What? What's that?
Yeah, what's it like in spin? Look, it's actually good. Look,
It's definitely not supposed to do that. Whoa!
And if you're new to the hobby, you don't have to be able to fly.
He's getting leery.
This way. It's not obligatory.
These things are follow.
So Essential RC has recently done a couple of reviews for us for the OMP Hobby product. We've got the Challenger that's flicking around the sky there. That one's just been reviewed, a lovely little plane, and the Decathlon has just been through a review. They are about to review the new OMP M2 Evo and the M1 Evo, which you can also come and have a look at and at our store further up the flight line, and if you'd like to put some pre-orders in, that would be great.
Nice pass together, eh?
low level pass. Well, you made it, eh? I'm behind. Me, Matt. I'm behind you.
There we go. Let's do a circuit here. Go round to the left, yeah?
I'm not in the circuit.
Well, I'm coming down. Go and power up a little bit. Halfway, right. Start bringing it round now. Going right down, come on.
Reversal at the end.
Go on. Pull in 3, 2, 1, pull. Half roll to the left, go. And pull. Into a looping centre. Loop in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Back round to the right and then out to the left. Round to the left. Right. Inverted pass, low.
ladies and gentlemen, is where those in the know say lower. Cool that low, absolutely.
Push inverted, the push, and pull back all the way over, pull now,
The lowest I saw there was
into 2 loops, go 1,
you get nervous when we play gameplays like
power,
absolutely not.
straight into 2nd loop, go.
These are our demo models, and these gentlemen are professional pilots, and
For a knife edge pass.
things do go wrong. It happens. It's
This is
happened
crazy,
3
this
hands,
does it.
that's just the way the cookie
Oh
crumbles.
yeah.
That's what we like to hear. Live edge down the runway, somebody's running out of battery.
Landing.
See the Decathlon down-ish.
Pretty much at the feet. Now I know there's not a huge number of you.
Challenger down.
As we speak, yes, we had a fantastic crowd yesterday, but as they all land, it's about showing an appreciation for some great flying. What's that?
Hey, I love it. On 3 it's circling 6. It's so good. Knife edge like that, no input. It's sick.
Now in this particular show we have boats, we have tanks, we have
It's actually 6.
Quick team photo.
Yeah.
Team photo.
Yeah, team photo.
Gotta be done. Gotta be done.
Get together. Go on, Daryn.
Mate,
So
this,
locked
this is
in.
good fun.
Yeah.
It does
Where's
catch your ankle.
Trevor's wandered off?
I tell you what, little wibbles and a wobble.
Oh, Trev, get in. Come on, you go in the front, Trev.
I don't want to be seen, you know, which coming in.
There goes the flight line director. Ready?
Right, where's he going? Right.
You go in the middle there, that's it.
Yeah, I'll go in the middle here. That's it. Come, get him, bring it, well, you don't want to go there. I don't want to cover the planes. Yeah, just hold it.
Come on, top. Ready?
Right, yes.
1, 2, 3. That'll do. Well done, gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Cheers, mate.
as you can see, is quite manoeuvrable on high wing.
It's a OMP Hobby Challenger. That's what you're flying.
Doing a little knife edge around there.
Hey, this is
Is our trainer.
He said it's sick. I think that means it's rather good.
The Challenger from OMP Hobby. That is a 49-inch.
I'm just picking up the lingo as I go along.
Again,